Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. 850, the oil nightmare car. We never did mop up this oil, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Pull the timing belt, replace those cam seals. I'd have to get this car to a car wash to pressure wash this engine off. I may do that if I get done quick enough. I brought some fuel hose. I'm probably going to replace this hose here because that thing is just old and cracked. I think you guys remember last time, so let me get started so I don't be here too long. Probably has not been driven much, but it looks like it's not quite a half quart low. So it's leaking a lot less just having a PCV done. But we're going to go ahead and replace these leaking seals. Somebody had a bolt. I guess it's this power steering bracket, super loose. Maybe top of the alternator, I don't know. I gotta put that back in there. Let me get this bolt loose from this idler tensioner, serpentine belt tensioner. Oil has totally destroyed this engine mount, so it is gone. I don't think I've ever seen one that bad. Despite the multiple marks on the cam sprockets, I think I have the crank on its mark. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the stuff off the back because I know I got one of those back seals leaking. And then pull these seals out here and take this timing belt and stuff off. Make sure I'm aligned back there. I may even put the holding tool on there so I don't have any questions about timing when I put this stuff back together. Air filter on this thing is long past due. Let me get this stuff off the back of the can. Looks like both of these seals were leaking. They're both aftermarket seals. They may have stopped once the PCV was cleaned up. If I got both, I'm going to replace both. I know I have two for the front. I think I only got one for the rear. Let's see what happens. I got the back locked down. Let me go take apart the front. I don't know how many miles is on this belt, but man, it sure has got a lot of cracks in it. I'll replace it. Got the front seals out. Let me go ahead and remove them the rest of the way. Clean this area up and press the new Cortico seals in. Again. Yep, look like I got it. Everything together on the front side. The new seals and all. To put a new tensioner on there because the old one leaked a lot. Get these locks off the back and do this cams. Whoops. I think I'm going to do this one here at the distributor. Leave that one alone, see if it keeps leaking. Together back here, that lower cam sensor bolt is stripped. I use an exhaust manifold nut to put on this upper engine torque mount since that was messed up. The owner went to see if he could find an air filter around the corner. Rolled the engine over twice. Got the timing lined up. I erased those extra marks. Now I'm going to put the lower guard on. Had to replace the hydraulic tensioner. It was leaking everywhere. And I'm getting ready to put the serpentine belt on and close this up. I'm going to mop up some of the oil off the top. We are ready to roll. He's going to fire it up, let it run a minute or two. Then I'm going to clean up the oil out the top, put the covers on. No. You're not pushing the gas, are you? Oh, hold on a second. I forgot to put the coil wire on. Yeah, you shouldn't have to push the gas. Hold on 1 second. Timing belt is tracking straight. That's what we want. Everything's in place. Got the top of this engine cleaned up. The car was hunting for idle because I didn't have the mass airflow sensor plugged in. Anyway, I got that plugged in. I'm going to plug in my code reader, clear all the codes, get these covers on, and I'm out of here. I'm going to clean up my mess and get out of this town. I don't know if it's a one-horse town that doesn't have a traffic light, but it does have a gas station and a post office, so we'll call it a one-horse town. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.